Welcome to a J Factory Flow. Today we're inside a massive automated manufacturing facility in Karachi, Pakistan, following the complete production journey of Lux Beauty Soap.
We're showing a consistent intake of 500 kilograms per hour on the automated system. Verified. Efficiency is holding steady at 98%.
The process begins with carefully measured raw materials, including soap noodles, fatty acids, glycerin, purified water.
Transfer sequence initiated to the mixing tank.
Acknowledged. Filtration levels confirmed and stable.
Fragrance oils, and color pigments. Automated batching systems deliver each ingredient with precision before powerful industrial mixers transform them into a uniform soap base. The mixture then moves through saponification and vacuum drying systems, where excess moisture is removed and the material becomes denser and more refined.
We're good to proceed.
From there, massive milling machines compress and smooth the soap structure, creating a consistent texture throughout the product. Next, vacuum plotters remove trapped air while powerful extrusion systems shape the soap into continuous billets. High-speed cutting machines divide the material into individual blanks, preparing them for the forming process. Hydraulic presses and precision stamping equipment transform each blank into its final shape. Embossing dies imprint the recognizable Lux branding, while robotic handling systems transfer the bars through cooling and stabilization conveyors. Advanced machine vision systems inspect every soap bar before automated wrapping machines package the finished products at remarkable speed. Robotic cartoning systems load packaged bars into cartons, while palletizing robots prepare large shipments for distribution. Finally, autonomous warehouse systems transport completed pallets toward outbound loading docks, completing the manufacturing journey from raw materials to finished beauty soap. This is modern factory engineering in action, where automation, precision, and high-speed production work together around the clock. Thanks for watching a J Factory Flow. If you enjoy real factory documentaries, industrial machinery, robotics, production lines, and manufacturing technology, subscribe to a J Factory Flow and turn on notifications for more factory journeys from around the world.
Confirmed. I'll adjust the pressure now. The vacuum pressure is holding steady at minus 0.88 bar. Good, the density looks uniform.
The dense pink soap column advances steadily into the precision shaping die. Servo systems regulate the pressure, ensuring a consistent final profile.
Look at the diagnostics on press 3.
Yeah.
Looks stable. The cycle time is consistent now.
Integrated directly into the production line, these optical systems verify the finishing quality of each lux bar at high speed. The precision weighing ensures every bar meets the lux standard. Exactly, verified before it even reaches packaging.